Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss functions in Python. Function is similar to a program that consists of a group of statements that are written to perform a specific task, right? And functions are of three types. They are built-in functions, user-defined functions, and anonymous functions. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about built-in functions. Now, what do you mean by built-in functions? Built-in functions are those functions which are predefined in Python. Okay, now let us see. To display built-in functions available in Python, you have to use method called directory of underscore built ins and underscore. Now this will give you the list of built-in methods available in Python. Now we will save this in built-in functions variable. Now this will give you the list of built-in functions available in Python. Now I want to display as well as I want to count the length of this function. That means how many built-in functions available in Python. Now I will print this as well as I will print the length of built-in functions. Now before that we will give some message that built-in functions in Python, and after this print number of methods available in Python as built-ins. So let's run this program. Now when you run this program, you will get all the built-in methods available in Python. See this? Yeah. So the built-in functions in Python are, see this list, how many are there? Arithmetic error, assertion error, attribute error, base exception, everything. And these methods are not used by a common, like a basic Python developer. And see, you may be, as a children, you may use this absolute, bin, boolean, evaluate, length, odd, slice, sorted, str, sum, super, tuple, type, vars, and chip. Right? You have this. How many methods are there? Total 153 built-in methods are there in Python. Got it? Right. Now, this is about built-in functions. Now, let us see how to use them. So this is a quick revision, like thing. Like if I give like a value a is equal to 10, I can convert this 10 as binary using bin method. That is binary of print of binary of a. In the same way, I can convert as octal number. Yes, oct of a. And I can convert into hexadecimal number using hex method. Hex of a. So So these are some common examples of built-in functions. So this will convert this integer number into a binary number, and oct method will convert into octal number, and method will convert into a hexadecimal number. Let us run this program. See this? Okay. Now here B represents, can you see this? Right. Here in the first line, B represents binary, and small o represents octal, and X represents hexadecimal. Okay, right. And this will be these are the basics to understand the functions. Like after some classes, these values are required. So this understanding is very important. So when how to represent a binary number, you have to write 0 and small b, and you have to write that binary number. Okay, and if you want to write octal number, you have to write 0 and small o and that octal number. And here x is called hexadecimal number. Okay, so in this way, its built-in functions are used in numbers, and in strings you can use like this. Strings I have used, and in strings the common built-in method is length method. So we can use length as length. Now what is the string name? S. So we can print this. Okay, in this way you have used built-in functions, and till now you have used built-in functions only. Now you don't know how to create your own function. Okay, now let us see how to create your own function in the next video. And this is your class about built-in functions. Goodbye children.